age-related macular degeneration. ARMD is an eye disease that causes loss of central vision, leaving only peripheral or side vision intact. ARMD is the leading cause of registered blindness for people over 50 around the world. Early detection of ARMD is the key. Types and detection. ARMD is often related to aging, thus the name age-related macular degeneration. The two most common forms of ARMD are dry ARMD and wet ARMD. To understand ARMD, we will have to understand our eyes too. The eyeball has three layers, namely the outer fibrous layer, the middle vascular layer, and the inner nervous tissue layer. The macula is the small area in the retina with the great density of photoreceptors. Because of the greatest number of photoreceptors, macula gives us sharpest vision. When we read fine prints, look at someone's face, or see tiny details, we are using the macula. In the disease, age-related macular degeneration, it is the detailed vision which becomes affected as portion of macula becomes unhealthy. We will take a close view of macula to see that how macular degeneration begins. In the healthy retina, the tips of the light-sensitive photoreceptors cells are constantly shear. These waste products are transported by the cells of retinal pigment epithelium or RPE to specialized capillary in the choroid. While they carried away in the bloodstream, similarly the RPE transports oxygen and nutrients from the choroidal capillary to the photoreceptors. In the early stage of macular degeneration, the transporting of nutrients and waste products slows down. These products accumulate under the RPE and appears as yellowish part called drusen. At this stage, vision is still quite good. Most people do not progress to past this stage and continue to read, drive, and engaging in the recreational activities such as golf and other sports. Without difficulty for few people, macular degeneration may progress in one or two ways. These are known as the dry and wet form of the disease. Let us understand the dry macular degeneration. The deposition of waste products creates obstruction in the transportation of nutrients, and as the time passes, the photoreceptors starts degenerating in absence of sufficient nutrition, and patient face difficulty in seeing the entire part of the object as they appear black in the center. At this stage, even if patient consult with doctors, the further vision loss may be protected by the use of nutritional supplementation. These nutritional supplements are lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in abundance in leafy vegetables such as spinach. They are also found in marigold flower. These nutrients play a vital role to protect the photoreceptors from the degeneration. If the patient consumes the medicine as recommended by the doctors, he may be prevented from the further loss of vision. To diagnose the disease, the doctor may use Amsler grid. If the patient sees the grid as distorted in the center, the doctor's diagnosis may go for age-related macular degeneration, and doctor may prescribe the medicine containing lutein and zeaxanthin. If patient does not take the medication as per the doctor's advice, he may lose his central vision and may not be able to see the center of the objects as they appear dark in the center. Due to any ignorance to take the recommended medication, the disease may progress further and may lead to the serious form called wet ARMD. Once wet ARMD occurs, then there is no treatment for the disease and patient becomes blind forever. The facts. ARMD is the leading cause of registered blindness for people over 50 around the world. Approximately 25 to 30 million people around the world are affected by some form of ARMD. Early detection of any form of ARMD is crucial because vision loss cannot be regained. Eye test at least every 2 years enable the ophthalmologist, optometrist to detect eye disease in its early stages and arrange for appropriate referral for advice, treatment and support services.